In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a dashboard in Zoho Analytics. Now, whether you're collaborating with a team or presenting data to stakeholders, sharing dashboards effectively can make all the difference. So, let's dive straight into it. First things first, open up the dashboard that you want to share. It could be one that you've been working on for weeks or perhaps something you've just whipped up. You'll want to make sure that it's the right dashboard with all the data you intend to showcase. Now, once you have that open, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen, and there it is, the Share button. This is going to be your gateway to collaboration. When you click on the Share button, you'll be presented with a couple of choices. You can opt to share either with individual users or with groups. Choose wisely, based on who needs access. Users are typically individuals, which is great if you need one-on-one collaborations or consultations. Groups, on the other hand, are perfect for teams or departments that need to see the data collectively. After deciding on users or groups, you'll need to enter the email addresses or the group names. This part is pretty straightforward, but do double-check the information to ensure that you're sharing with the right people or teams. A small typo here, and the dashboard might end up with someone completely unintended. The next important step is setting the access level for each user or group. Zoho Analytics provides several options here, such as read, write, and export. The read option is perfect if you only want others to view the dashboard without making any changes. Write access allows them to modify content, which can be incredibly useful if you're working in a collaborative environment. Export access allows users to download and work with the data offline, which can be crucial for more comprehensive analysis or presentations beyond Zoho. To tailor the data visible to specific users, Zoho Analytics offers a filter application feature. This is fantastic when you want to ensure that each user sees only the data relevant to them. Customizing views can go a long way in maintaining data privacy and keeping everything organized. So, once you've determined whom you're sharing with and what level of access they'll have, and after applying any necessary filters, the last thing to do is hit Share. By doing this, you send out an invitation to the users or groups you've chosen, and your dashboard is now accessible to them. And there you have it. Sharing a dashboard in Zoho Analytics is a powerful way to ensure teamwork and efficiency in handling and presenting data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to implement these steps, and happy sharing.